Hi, I'm Rachel from Moon Times, and I've made this video to talk to you about womb packing. Womb packing is about using a castor oil pack to place on your womb to nourish your womb. And I've been doing this for years. Alexandra Pope writes about it in her book Wild Genie, and she just says it's one of these old-fashioned remedies that's used for many different ailments. They're recommended for all kinds of period problems, especially endometriosis, fibroids, cysts, irregular periods and no periods at all. It soothes the nervous system. It really helps if you're stressed, suffering from insomnia, have a tendency for colds and flus. It's great for premenstrual bloating and crabbiness. So there's lots of information in Wild Genie. And then also, these are my two kind of go-to books for health. This is Susan Weed, and she, again, this is in her fibroids section. She talks about using castor oil packs over your fibroids, and you could do a ginger pack as well. So women kind of don't want to do these because they think they're really messy, and I have come up with the least messy way to do it. So these packs are going to be for sale on my website. You have to buy your oil yourself. I recommend, if you're in the UK, Cytoplan do a really good castor oil. So I'm going to stand up and show you what to do. First of all, get yourself a hot water bottle and heat it up. So you need your pack that I'm selling, or I'm going to show you an alternative way to do it at home. You can make your own kit. You need a hot water bottle, you need castor oil. Now, I keep my castor oil pack and all my womb pack stuff in a bag. This is, because it's messy, castor oil's really messy. So my castor oil is in a bag, and I'm going to turn the camera so you can look at my pile of stuff. So the first thing we do, we've got two packs here that I've made. So this is a smaller womb pack. We've got a larger one. This is my prototype that I did with curtain fabric, but it didn't really work. So don't use this one, but I'm just going to show you. So this is a longer one. It can be used for your womb or for your liver. And then we've got the cloth that we use to soak up the oil. And then I've got a womb wrap, which is organic cotton. So all of these bits are made from organic cotton except for the plasticky bit that's going to protect you from the mess. So we've got a hot water bottle. The next thing we do is choose which pack you want to use. These little ones are handy. They just pop over your womb like that. Or if you want a larger one, maybe you've got fibroids that have spread, endometriosis, you can use this larger one, which covers everything. This is great for your liver too. So you get your cloth and you fold it in whichever way. So I'm going to show you the big one. So I'm going to fold this way to get it into the larger pack. Fold it up, pop it inside. And then I'm going to liberally take my oil lid off and pour castor oil all over this so it soaks. And then I'm going to fold it in half, and I'm going to put my hot water bottle on that, and I'm going to let it warm up so it's lovely and warm. So the same thing, if you're using the mini pack, fold your cloth up, put it inside, cover it in castor oil, and then fold it over and just put a hot water bottle on it, let it warm up. Once it's nice and warm, this comes the fun bit. Obviously, no clothes on. Placing it over your womb, top of your pelvic bone, and then you get your womb wrap or belly wrap. This is just a really long bit of fabric, black so it doesn't show the stains. Castor oil is really messy, and if you get it on your clothes or on fabric, it's just horrible. So hopefully, it's just going on your skin. And then you use this to just wrap around, open it right up so it's all covered up. There we go. And then you just tuck your ends. If they reach, you can tie it. I mean, these are kind of one size fits all. So there, got my womb pack, and then I lie down with my hot water bottle on and relax. Once you're finished, so Start for about 20 minutes maybe. You can build it up to, I've worn mine all night long. I've done 3 hours. Once you're done, you're going to have a bit of an oily belly. So I just get a scrap of old cloth and I wrap that round and wear that under my clothes and just let it absorb the oil while my skin's absorbing it as well. The other thing you can do is after doing your wound pack, move the pack up and do your liver, because you're releasing toxins with a castor oil pack. So if you move it up to your liver, then that helps your liver get rid of the toxins. How often you do them is up to you. Like I said, I mean, it's best to do these under the guidance of a naturopath or herbalist. When I was going through some perimenopausal flooding, my herbalist recommended doing 3 days on, 3 days off, so doing packs every day for 3 days. Some people also advise doing enemas with your packs to help the release of the toxins. That's completely up to you. Again, things like that should be done under the guidance of a naturopath. It's not recommended to do these while you're bleeding. They're great premenstrually. They really help soothe the body. So there we go. I mean, the other technique really is, instead of using these little packs that I've made, you wrap yourself up in cling film. So you put this cloth that you've soaked in your castor oil onto your belly and then just wrap yourself in cling film. If I was doing that, I'd probably wrap a towel around me as well. I mean, what I found with cling film is that this bit just slips out and finds its way out. So I've just found these a really secure way of holding it on. So there's my little video of how to do your castor oil packs, your wound packs, and I look forward to hearing some feedback on how they've worked for you and maybe how your symptoms are going. And yeah, see you soon. Bye.